When felting, you can set your work on top of a felting mat or pad. A felting mat is a small brush-like surface. This is a great surface for making small sculptures. Felting pads are gray blocks of high-density foam. Unlike styrofoam, they are, for lack of a better word, squishy. Foam is a good surface for both 3D sculptures and flat needle felting. Both protect your needle and are long-lasting. By working on top of foam or a mat, you do not need to worry about breaking the needle on a hard surface such as a table. Felting foam can be quite expensive, so a good alternative is upholstery foam. Try and find one that is 2 inches thick and pretty dense. Working on top of fabric is a personal choice. It does allow you to draw out a design to work from. You also do not have to be concerned with holes in your felted fabric. You can felt into almost any fabric from wool, cotton, or synthetics. It can be dyed or undyed. Many people will also felt with no fabric. It is more difficult to follow a design this way, but it is much like painting. Some people draw first with a pencil, and others will lay in their shapes with paint. Fabric is never needed as a base when working with three-dimensional sculptural forms. Victoria Connors is a popular landscape needle felter. She tends to work in plein air, although some of her works are based off of images. Many of her artworks are inspired by real locations. You can see here, Connors is working on brown fabric. Having fabric as a base not only allows you to draw out your design, but it also allows you to needle your wool into something as security while you're building up the layers. That way it doesn't blow away in the wind if you're working outside.